Come here. I say we go check out the living room. What do you think?
Hey!
What's that? What is it? What is it? What else is under there? Hey, what else is under there? What's that? Right. Hey, what's that? Yeah. What's that?
A fishing so I can go fishing.
What's on it?
Tinkerbell.
Wow. I say we use this and we go pick up all the Easter Bunny eggs.
Yeah. One more.
Oh, put it in there. Let's go in the living room and see what else he left. Holy crap. He did.
Yeah, I want this for Anne. And he has what's up for Anne too.
No.
My chair. He thought I was good.
What else did you get? Oh my gosh, he left you another basket. What's in there? And those are some water toys. Holy cow.
Let's check behind this.
Alright. Here, what's that? What's that? Another one?
Yeah. One's behind there.
Go get it. See what it is.
One behind the TV.
Yeah, what else? Yeah, put those in a basket.
What? Teddy.
Holy cow, the Easter Bunny was got eggs everywhere, didn't he?
Yeah, put your room.
He did.
Yeah, I'm gonna check behind this. Another one.
Whoa! What else you got? Okay, right there.
Where?
Underneath the curtain. No, right here. Yeah. You okay? All right. I don't know. I think there's something else. What's that back over there? In that corner. He hit that one pretty good.
Where?
It's over here somewhere. Look. There's something shiny.
He thinks I'm pretty good. And I'm a microphone too.
Come here. Let's see what it is. Come here. Come here. Let's go see what it is.
There's so much. We got to walk on this.
Yeah. Here, go get those other ones. Bring the fishing pole and everything in here. Let's take a look and see what we all got. Bring it all in here. Wow, you and I go fishing now.
I'm not going to track.
Yeah, okay, come here. Look, bring the coloring book and your chocolate bunny. Wow.
Yeah, I think I'm good.
He does.